Logic Pro versus REAPER, which DAW is better? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can transform your music production experience without unnecessary complexity. Logic Pro offers a polished Apple ecosystem, while REAPER delivers unmatched customization and affordability. Logic Pro and REAPER are two powerful DAWs with distinct approaches. Logic Pro provides a comprehensive, user-friendly environment optimized for Mac users. REAPER focuses on flexibility and lightweight performance across platforms, appealing to users who want deep control and customization. Logic Pro is a professional-grade digital audio workstation developed by Apple, designed exclusively for macOS. It offers a streamlined interface with a vast library of sounds, virtual instruments, and effects, making it ideal for musicians and producers seeking an all-in-one solution. Logic Pro's workflow integrates seamlessly with Apple hardware and software, delivering low-latency performance and stability. Users benefit from advanced features like live loops, flex time, and smart tempo, which simplify complex editing tasks. Its strengths lie in its polished design, extensive sound library, and tight integration with macOS, enabling efficient music creation and mixing. However, Logic Pro is limited to Mac users only, which excludes Windows and Linux platforms. Additionally, it comes with a higher upfront cost compared to some alternatives. Ideal users are Mac-based producers and songwriters who want a professional, ready-to-use DAW with minimal setup and maximum creative tools. REAPER, developed by Cocos, is a versatile digital audio workstation available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is known for its lightweight design and highly customizable interface, allowing users to tailor the workflow extensively through scripts and plugins. REAPER supports a wide range of hardware and software formats, making it flexible for various production styles. Its efficient CPU usage and small install size make it suitable for older or less powerful computers. REAPER's licensing model is affordable and straightforward, with a fully functional evaluation period and a low-cost license for personal or small business use. While it may not include the extensive built-in sound libraries found in other DAWs, REAPER excels in providing a solid foundation for users who prefer adding third-party instruments and effects. Its strengths are customization, cross-platform support, and cost-effectiveness. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and less out-of-the-box content. REAPER is ideal for users who want a powerful, adaptable DAW that grows with their skills and setup. Logic Pro and REAPER serve different user needs with distinct trade-offs. Logic Pro shines for Mac users seeking a polished, integrated DAW with extensive built-in content and intuitive features, perfect for fast, creative workflows. It excels in music production environments where Apple hardware and software synergy matter. Conversely, REAPER offers unmatched customization and lightweight performance across multiple operating systems, making it suitable for users who prioritize flexibility and budget. Its modular design supports advanced scripting and plugin use, but requires more setup and learning time. If you want a DAW ready to go with rich sounds and seamless macOS integration, Logic Pro is the choice. For users needing a cost-effective, customizable DAW that runs on various platforms and adapts to unique workflows, REAPER stands out. Logic Pro is recommended for Mac users who want an all-in-one, professionally designed DAW with rich content and seamless integration for streamlined music production. REAPER is ideal for producers seeking a flexible, lightweight DAW that works across platforms and offers deep customization at a low cost. Choose REAPER if you want total control over your workflow and the freedom to build your own production